Automate level measurement of powders and bulk solids with a SmartBob Inventory Management System. Eliminate the need to climb silos and enhance safety at your operation with a proven system of sensors and data delivery options. The SmartBob sensor works like an automated tape measure. Mounted on top of the silo, the sensor drops a weighted cable to the material surface. Upon impact, the cable retracts while counting pulses that are converted to a level measurement. Measurements are programmed at predetermined time intervals to show changes in inventory over time. SmartBob is ideally mounted 1/6 of the diameter from the outside perimeter of the silo. This distance is proven to provide the most accurate inventory data, accounting for the angle of repose in free-flowing materials. Level data from the sensor can be sent to Binventory software installed on a PC on a local area network. Alternatively, data can be accessed from the internet using the BinView web app on a smartphone, tablet, or PC. Convenient consoles can display height of a product or headroom information from the SmartBob at ground level from a centralized location, making important inventory information easily accessible to drivers at truck loadouts. Customize your SmartBob solution with a wide variety of mounting plates for 0 to 40 degree angled roofs, wireless accessories to reduce wiring costs in single or multi-point wireless networks, and sensor options for measuring the level of acetyled submerged solids through a liquid, such as in brine tanks. SmartBob is a smart, sensible solution designed to streamline and simplify inventory.